What's up, everybody? It's your boy, The Legend, joined once again by Molly.
Hi.
And we are here on the Enchantment of the Seas. We're going to show you around. It's our first cruise on Royal Caribbean. We're going to show you all the ship has to offer, give our thoughts or review, what we liked, what we didn't like. We're starting out here in the pool deck. And pool deck, when I looked online, I figured this was kind of old looking. It wasn't going to be that neat, but I've actually really enjoyed the pool deck. We've got two big bars, a giant bar over there, and then a bar over there you can't really see as well. 4 hot tubs, 2 different pools, a kids splash zone. The Jumbotron, love the Jumbotron, especially it's been NFL playoff weekend here, so that's been really cool. And they got these kind of neat bridge, wacky type structures that I don't really know what they're for besides, you know, just being here. Architectural design kind of thing, but they're neat. They got a very nice top deck. You can walk all the way around. And I've actually really enjoyed the pool area. The bartenders have been super duper friendly. And I haven't really used the pool at all, but I've been hanging out here. Love having the Jumbotron to watch all the football games. That's a big plus for me. I'm a huge football and sports fan.
The movies that they've shown on it was kind of old school.
Yeah, they like Singing in the Rain and something called the 100-Foot Journey. Both those sounded terrible, but when they replaced them with the NFL, then I really kind of got into it. I kind of like down here how they've turned in the, like I say, normally a kiddie splash area to a people are sitting around watching the NFL game kind of area. As you can see down there, second pool bar. All right, we're gonna wander around, show you what's good. Not open right now, but one of the cool things on the top deck here, they have a turbo bungee bounce around jump zone built by the guys from Vertical Reality, who I'm pretty sure we've interviewed at IAPA's in the past, but I'm not sure. If we did, I'll link to their video. If not, I'm sorry, I made that mistake. But really kind of cool. Turbo bungees are always kind of fun, and it's included with your admission. There's no upcharge or anything for it. But the view you get, because you're right on the back of the ship, bouncing 10, 15 feet in the air, and you can just see forever from the top of the turbo bungee. So I love that. Molly just drank her drink and did not partake in the turbo bunginess.
Nope.
No flipping, which was kind of a bummer, but it was really an awesome view from up there. A fun time. Like all major cruise lines, they have a video arcade. And theirs is, it's okay. It's not good, it's not bad, it's, small. It's down this awkward hallway. And here you are in their video arcade. A couple games, some newer, some older. This game actually is pretty cool. It's a golden gun game. I just like it because you could hold these golden guns. Molly, grab the gun. See, isn't that neat? Fast and the Furious, Super Bikes, Blackout, which is an awesome arcade game when you try to win prizes. And then the always popular Stacker. So not a bad arcade, not a good one. Somewhere in the middle.
The weird thing is to get to the kids area, you have to go through the arcade teen area.
So one of the issues with this ship is it's kind of older, and the doors don't always work. Like
It does say automatic door.
And then you push the button.
Push the button.
And it might slowly open on one side. And then, that one actually worked. Oh, there we go. So I have no idea at all what these feet in circles painted on the floor is. Molly, any clue?
Nope.
Nope, got me. Probably some old rock wall. Probably 20 to 30 foot rock wall hanging here on the back of the ship, which I got confused earlier. Probably won't get to do with all this wind, but I imagine the view from the top is pretty cool. So now I'm going to go into one of my 2 favorite places on this ship. One of the Viking Crown Lounge, which is what's a truly incredible space. Over here at the top deck on floor 10 or 11, something like that.
Floor 11.
Floor 11. And you get this awesome giant panoramic window view. If you wanted to hang out here and watch football on the big screen, you could do it and stay inside. Really, really, really neat, awesome space. Very relaxing.
At night, it turns into a dance club.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and they have one of the coolest things. They had a silent disco on the first night of the cruise, which was awesome. Everybody in the dance floor got headphones, and you could turn them on to either station. There was 2 different DJs playing, so everything was through the headphones, and you couldn't tell if they were dancing to your music or dancing to the other track, or just dancing or whatever they wanted to. Because it was like the coolest thing, and people were singing along to different songs. It was a blast. One of the coolest things I've ever done in one of these cruise ship dance clubs. I really had a lot of fun. Nice cocktail selection too. Very much enjoyed this area. This is really, really neat. One of the coolest pieces of technology around the ship all over are these big giant touchscreen computer things. And Molly, let's see if Molly had to pee right now, well,
It's right there.
it's right there. And it tells you are here and bathroom is there. Cruise compass will tell you absolutely everything going on right now. All the different venues and how to get there.
It's really cool.
Really neat. Very convenient for people just first getting on the ship. And it's so cool. Let's say we wanted to find our stateroom. 3021. Enter. Take elevator, stretch to deck 3. Proceed along deck 3 and find your room. There it is. It's so cool. I love it. It's simple, but just a great piece of technology. Really helpful.
I'll be very surprised if he's
Molly found the bathroom. My other absolute favorite space on the ship, along with the Viking Crown Lounge, is here in the Solarium. And this is kind of their adults only pool area. It's enclosed. It's beautiful. It's so nice.
For 16.
Yep. Really pretty area. Very much relaxing. Can get a little bit warm, but on days like today where it's overcast, it's really nice. You've got hot tubs, pool, awkward shower pod. Of course, you've got a bar. And just the whole vibe in here is really neat. And we gotta show them the cafe.
We do. It's a very good cafe.
Yeah, it's been one of the best places to have lunch on the ship. You get these sandwiches, like hot meat. It was either pork or roast beef covered in gravy on these delicious little rolls. Oh, I have loved the Park Cafe here in the Solarium.
It also has paninis, fruit salads, regular
Didn't the girl just
salads.
say she was peeing?
Yes, that's what she said.
That's gross! They got statues with boobs on it. And really tasty food. Fresh salad bar over there. That's what I'm talking about. Roast pork sandwich with gravy. Lots of delicious looking snacks. So cool. And sandwiches they would heat right up for you. We had the 3-cheese panini yesterday. It was really good. Fresh fruit if you're into that kind of thing. Awesome. This has been one of our favorite places on the ship. And one of the best selling points of the ship is in this area here. So really enjoyed it. And what's a cruise ship without the buffet? Here's the Windjammer Cafes, the major buffet area on the ship. Filled with all different things. You've got hot dogs and hamburgers over here with French fries. Not the best section of the buffet by any means. The burgers were okay. The fries and the hot dogs, not so much. This is just today. Everything changes out pretty much every day with that something like a hot dog, beef stroganoff over there. This was tasty. I had some of this earlier. I feel like I make your own pasta bar with poblano sauce. Tasty stuff. Barbecue chicken. Desserts today a little bit weak. Not great on the desserts. Again, more fresh cut meats. Dessert man walking by. Overall, the buffet, I've been very happy with the buffet food. Buffet food's been really high quality. For Clint the Dick Novak, there is a large selection of ribs. Buffet food's been very strong. High quality stuff every day. Lots and lots of options, which is a huge plus for the buffet. Food's been good at breakfast. Breakfast buffet was wonderful. Some cruise ships, they kind of cheap out on the bacon, but not here. It was good quality bacon. Omelet guys, bacon, hash browns. Breakfast buffet, big plus, especially the bacon. I'm a bacon guy. Mom, what are your thoughts on the buffet?
It was good.
Great.
Definitely breakfast was good. Very great.
All right, moving on. Right here, we're at the entrance to the Orpheum, which is their big, giant, 2-story theater and live show venue. Nice theater, but I would say one of the biggest disappointments on this cruise so far. The entertainment in the theater has been horrendously bad. The welcome aboard show was crap. Last night there was this juggling comedian who was completely unlikable, and it was awful. It was like torture sitting through some of these shows.
I agree. It was horrible.
I figured the shows would have been better. You turn around right up behind the shows, so some of the shops.
But during the day, they show newer movies, ones that are not out to DVD yet, not in theaters anymore. I think it's The Giver right now.
No, it's where the game stands tall or something like that. Some sort of.
The Giver was earlier today.
The Giver? What the hell is The Giver?
You don't know the book?
The Giver?
Yeah.
I've never heard of this movie before in my life.
You're uneducated.
Shopping! Now they have a pretty decent sized shopping area here on the Enchantment of the Seas. And actually something we bought. We never buy stuff in these shops. And we bought a couple bottles of Bacardi because they came with these awesome bat pourers on top. I really liked that. And it was cheap. It was 2 for $22. We were there on a sale. They were doing buy 2 get 10% off. So we got 2 bottles of Bacardi, 2 bat pourers for like $19. Besides that, shops seem pretty genuine. Just what you find in most kind of, you find your duty-free stores. You find your jewelry stores. If you're a lady who likes shopping, probably a cool thing for you. They've got also your Royal Caribbean store. It sells Enchantment of the Sea trinkets and all that. Oh, and my favorite thing they've sold in any of the shops: obnoxious giant novelty bottles of liquor. Come on, who doesn't want a 3-liter bottle of Syrah? Now I will say, the bottle of Bacardi, not too expensive. $43 is ridiculous. See, look how big it is. It's gigantic. Fun. And lots of sips. Over here, you got a fancy coffee shop on Ben & Jerry's, which is great. Unfortunately, it's a cost extra venue, so you have to pay for the scoops and that kind of thing. So not something I put up, but Ben & Jerry's, it's really delicious and good thing if you have it. Also, a lot of people are coffee freaks and have a nice coffee station here is good too.
With Starbucks.
With Starbucks coffee. We've loved this. When you buy the beverage plan, you get a souvenir cup, and they have Coke Freestyle machines located all over the boat, and you get to play with your Coke Freestyle machines. And the cups are pretty nice. Turning around here, we're in the main atrium kind of area, where they'll have bands or trivia contests, all sorts of things, the big elevator style stuff. A nice bar down at the bottom. There's a nice bar, lots of good cocktails there. Such a pretty nice atrium, well used. There's a lot of activities that go on here, and pretty good. Another fun bar here on the ship is the Schooner Bar. Again, some of the bars have like just a generic menu you see all over the ship, like out by the pool or in the nightclub. This one, you have a lot of different cocktails, many of which are really, really delicious. We've ordered, I think, half of them by now because we got the Drink Yourself Stupid package, which has been a blast. But come on, look how good these things are. Lots of cool, very fruity kind of drink. This also doubles as your piano bar in the evening. Unfortunately, it's not like the fun kind of drink yourself silly sing-along piano bar, but the guy who plays the piano kind of puts you to sleep. But the bar, really good. Down at the end there is their Spotlight Lounge, where they do karaoke and other things. Right now it's for their art auction, so I'm not going to go in there to show you guys that, but that's a cool space as well. Lots of big windows, very large lounge area. But this, I really like this area. Hang out here, have a bunch of drinks, relax. We wish there was a more fun piano bar, but you can't always get what you want. My Fair Lady is the dining room here on the ship. You get 2 different options. You can do My Time dining, where you got to make your reservations and just say you could show up, anytime between, I think, 5:30 and 9 or something like that. And then you could do set early time or late time, and then you do your set dining time. You're on the first floor or floor 5. And if you're to do My Time dining, you're on floor 5, the top floor 6 or 4, whatever it is. 5, and set dining is on floor 4. Cool dining room, nothing too incredible. I will say service in the main dining room was incredible. People remember your name, they remember your drinks. We walked right up the second day, and the hostess lady said, "Welcome back, room 302, table 27, come on in." And we talked to her for maybe 5 seconds the day before. The level of service on the ship has been really, really amazing. It's definitely one of the highlights. And the food was awesome.
Food was good.
Last night, beef tenderloin, chocolate souffle. Molly got 2 entrees by mistake.
I don't know how that happened.
But they were both good.
Yes.
Anyway, food on the main dining room. Food overall has been very strong, with the exception of room service. But main dining room, very impressed with both the service and the drinks and the food. Wonderful main dining room. Now we're in Boleros, another club and lounge. A lot of live music in here, a lot of Spanish-inspired stuff. Again, this is another one that has specialty cocktails, lots of mojitos and things like that. And I really liked having the beverage plan where different bars have different wacky drinks because you can just drink so much stuff. This bar home to Professor Milton, he'll get you drunk, which is a good time. This is one I need to come back to. I've only had one drink here. I want to have at least 2 or 3 more. We're going to be back in like a half an hour for Harry Potter trivia. And then over there, we can't film in the casino because that's not allowed, but casino is small and old and smoky. So casino, I'm not a gambler anyway. I won my $8 on roulette and it ran away. So really was not impressed with the casino. Small, old, smoky.
It's the only bar that has sports.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
It's a sports bar.
It's the only bar with TV, so you can either watch right now it's NFL. You either have to watch up on the pool deck or you can watch in the casino.
So either smoky or rainy.
Yeah, tough call. And last but not least, we're going to show you around the cabin here. Molly's double frisking 2 awful frozen drinks. They are
horrible.
Terrible. Tastes like straight hairspray. And we're going in. This is our little tiny room. Obviously the interior room, not one of the smaller interior rooms, but I really did not have a problem with it. You know, had a wonderful shelf for Mr. Penguin. And overall, you know, not too bad of a room. You don't spend a whole lot of time in the room on the cruise ship, so I really don't think it's that big of a deal. One thing I didn't like, the TV, there's no like movie channel, and when I'm on the cruise ship I want to just be in vacation mode. I don't want to watch my normal ESPN and that kind of thing. And they just didn't have a movie channel, so that was kind of sad. Anyway, my other big beef with this cabin is this damn shower curtain. The shower is the tiniest thing in the world anyway. Let me open this up. It is like that. Tiny. Absolutely tiny. And instead of a door, they have this curtain, so like you're trying to shower and it sticks to your ass, and it's just awful. The curtain was a terrible idea. Besides the curtain and the lack of a movie channel, there's a towel animal guy. Room was fine. Did not mind the room at all. All right, Mal, show me your thoughts, positives and negatives on the cruise.
Entertainment, horrible.
Yeah.
Even like the daytime activities, there's not that much.
Yeah.
Best food and service. The service was incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone knew your name.
Yeah.
Within meeting them once.
That's also because we probably had about 40 drinks each. We have loved this all-you-can-drink package, $50, and you pretty much could drink yourself silly. And big plus there. That's been fun. You've already. It's now 2 in the afternoon. How many drinks have you had today?
6.
So that's a big plus. Also, it's something a 3-night cruise works very well. I'll agree with Molly. I like the food a lot. Food was really good. Like the beverage plan. Like some of their lounge areas were really good. Disappointed with the entertainment. And overall, I would say it was decent. What I would expect from an older cruise ship. I'd recommend it for if you want a weekend getaway kind of thing. Definitely check it out. Besides that, I want to thank you all for watching this ship tour and review. If you have any questions, post in the comment. I'll try and get back to you if I know the answer. If not, be sure to subscribe. We'll show you a whole bunch of other good stuff from all over the world when we do our travels. Bye. Mr. Penguin.